Have you ever had a brilliant business idea but didn't know how to make money from it without starting your own company? That's where licensing comes in. Imagine earning income while someone else manufactures, markets, and sells your idea for you. But how do you protect your idea, find the right company, and sign a deal that actually pays? In this video, we'll break down how to license your business idea step by step. Step number 1, define your business idea clearly. Write down exactly what your idea is, what problem it solves, and how it's different from what already exists. Be specific about its function, design, or process. The clearer your idea, the easier it'll be to protect and present. Step number 2, do a patent or trademark search. Before sharing your idea, research whether something similar already exists. Use patent databases like Google Patents or WIPO to confirm originality. This prevents legal trouble later and ensures your concept is truly unique. Step number 3, protect your intellectual property. If your idea is unique, apply for a patent, copyright, or trademark, depending on what it is, invention, design, or brand name. IP protection gives you legal ownership and makes licensing possible. Step number 4, develop a prototype or sample. Create a working model or clear visual representation of your idea. Companies are more likely to license something they can see or test. It also helps you prove that your idea works in real life. Step number 5, research potential licensees. List companies already selling similar products or services. These are your best targets because they already have manufacturing, marketing, and distribution systems. You'll just be adding innovation to their lineup. Step number 6, prepare a licensing proposal. Make a simple but persuasive presentation that includes what the idea is, why it's unique, how it benefits the company, and potential market demand. Include visuals, prototype photos, or short demo videos. Step number 7, approach companies professionally. Start with email or LinkedIn outreach to product managers or innovation heads. Be professional, clear, and short. Never share full technical details until a non-disclosure agreement is signed. Step number 8, negotiate the licensing agreement. If a company shows interest, discuss key terms, royalty percentage, payment schedule, duration of license, territory local or global, and exclusivity. Get legal help if needed. Step number 9, monitor your licensing deal. After signing, track your royalties and check whether the company follows quality and sales standards. Maintain communication and build a long-term relationship for future collaboration. And step number 10, continue innovating. Licensing isn't a one-time event. Keep improving or developing new ideas to build a portfolio. The more intellectual property you own, the more companies will want to work with you. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.